Okay. Okay.
We want to take the boat while it's still in the water. First, you get some hairspray and you mix it up. You pluck your hairs and use it to dye the hairspray. Then you go and stroke your mother's hair. And you hit her with a boat. And then you spread her out. Push her over. Watch her swim away and wave. Bye. And then you can start painting. You get your brush and you slap it across the fish. Then you hammer the fish to the boat. And then you give it lots of kisses and say you're sorry. Then you break its back over your leg. Then you rub the blood all over the boat. Then you let the rain soak it in. And then you're done.